Napakapalupit ni jersey number 99, Gomez. Idol ko talaga yan. Pwede na sa ating tugtungan na
It's not our second half. Jersey number 1, Navarra. Passing jersey number 9, Cruz. 15 on the shot clock. Passing jersey number 13, 12-second shot clock. Jersey number 13 to jersey number 6, 8-second shot clock. Passing jersey number 1, Navarra. Way back. And jersey number 4. 4-second shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 1, the baseline iba, passing jersey number 8. Hooks it up, it's good for Julio Silas. Behind jersey number 8 is 4-36-28. Sabana sa single digit ang nalaman. Jersey number 9, pass to Ortiz. Corner pass, jersey number 33. It's a line violation turnover for jersey number 33. Jersey number 1, pass jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 is now Mr. Living. Here's jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 9, working on the shot clock. Pass jersey number 13. Attacking the rebound. There's no shot. It's not good. Fighting for the ball. Number jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 99. Gomez. Jersey number 3 of Peace. Out of bounds, safe ball. 17 seconds shot clock, 17 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 11. Kick up pass to jersey number 99. It's jersey quick cross. Speed move. Back pass. Simple. 9-second shot clock, 9 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 99 in the baseline rebound. Naghanap ng pamasa. Nakita si Ortiz, baseline jumper. It's not good. Tabi ka ng bola. Nakuha ni jersey number 11.